Hello YouTube, bringing this spray gun for review. As you can see, this is TRESDA. It calls CX49. It's a 400 watt power. Has different patterns for painting. And let's see what you find inside. You have the bowl. The tank has a 800 millimeters capacity. Two different spare tips. The cup for measuring the viscosity of the paint, which is very important to get it right. This is the nozzle. The other tip is already pre-installed. The main unit manual comes with a cleaning device. So if you have a clog, you can use this to clean. Same goes for the tip. Have this iron right there. I'll put this together so you can see. Unfortunately, I have not tested this unit. It came for a unboxing review only. I ended up buying a different unit that I will review. As you can see, you can put this together. Makes quite a lot of noise when you turn it on, but for $35, $30 feels like a good price, right? Hope you guys like it. You can find that on Amazon. As I said, about $30. Every piece here is plastic. The needle, the caps, everything is plastic. No metal parts in this unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.